Hi guys, I'm going to my cousin right now. I'm in the car. I'm going to my cousin right now. And this is gonna be insane.
Insane.
Insane. Getting insane. Insane. Like bro.
Hindi ko nakakita, hindi.
25th,
Hindi pa pasok pala yan. Alin.
2025 and 2050.
Sakto
I'm
pagdating
not
namin.
realized it.
Biglang dumating. Pag pumupuwar pa pala
What
ako, biglang dumating.
is happening? So in America, okay, we're going to my cousin right now. So what today is what happened?
Anong title lang na? Pinapanood natin.
Okay, lol.
Last,
Hey, wait.
ano?
I cannot open it. Okay,
Basta
guys,
lol.
I'll just hold you. LOL last to
Last
laugh.
Oo,
Last
last
one
one
to
to
laugh. Oh, that's it. It's out of one.
Sino ka? Lagay mo na sa dulo sino yung last.
There's a lot of.
Sa last. Feeling ko hindi tatagal na si Rupa na tatawa siya sa sarili.
This is it. I'm going. I'm going to my cousin right now.
Saan tayo?
And I'm gonna meet
Kailangan muna kila Angel pa.
Okay.
Tapos SM, ha?
with Ate Odel.
Oo, Ate Odel muna.
Okay, I'm gonna already meet my cousin. If my partner just watches, he'll say, "Oh, Khaled, my friend. Let's watch." You know, my cousin's house is just near, bro. Okay, let's watch it. Should be on cousins. Okay, guys, today with me. So let's watch. Is cousin's house just near?
Oo.
It's near.
A little, but it's not.
Okay, a little bit. We're getting near. So today.
Comedy yun, natawan-tawa ako. Sa tawa ko pa nagpipigil sila ng tawa nila, naiiyak kasi sila. Ganun pala pag nagpipigil ka ng tawa mo, maiiyak ka, no, ma? Si ano, nagagalit. Kasi hindi niya kaya eh. Pero iba naiiyak eh. Ganun pala yun pagka ano, natatawa ka.
Yo. It's not today I'm going to pick up. But my partner ready. Go to my college. Go to his house. And I'm going to my cousin like that. Anyway, classmates, cousin. I'm cousin.
Meron.
Okay. So I am visiting my cousin and Savi's visiting college. Like that. Let's watch.
Oo.
Look what we're watching. That's funny. I watched that a long time and I just watched. I mean, just today I watched it. It was so funny. Like funnier, just like. Okay, let's.
marunong sa ganyan eh. Mag-space out ka lang.
Magsi-space out ka lang. No?
Walang.
Yung parang walang nangyayari sa paligid mo.
Pero nakatingin ka, malikmata ka.
Mahirap kasi mag-space out pagka nakatitig sa mata eh. Ganun.
Oo, titigan. Malayang titig mo. Limbawa, kung maaari nakatingin ka sa nagtagaan sila. Hindi ka nakatingin sa washing machine naman ang titig mo. Dapat ilang lang yung lalabahan sa washing machine. Space out lang yan. Pakinabahan, detay. Sa bagong washing machine ito, napakagaling talaga. Just press the button. Ilalagay yung damit mo na bago pinipon. Kasi nanonood sila talaga eh. Kaya hindi ko manonood sa space out. Washing machine. Empoy, pakilagyan naman ng tubig ang washing machine. Empoy. Ano po? Hindi kasi umulan na kailangan na makapaglaba. Yan. Unang tubig ang washing machine. Empoy. Parang malakas siya sa
Ha?
sa west side. West side washing machine side. Yung pag yung east side. East side. Kasi yung west hindi yung side. West Philippines. Sa may Palawan side. Tapos siya sa kabila. Pero maabot siya ng panay.
Malaki.
Malaki.
1,000 kilometer eh.
Ang range. Hindi yata kaya ni Empoy. Si Chad yata, si Chad ang may-ari ng washing machine. Nagkakumulat ng
Ano yung ginawa
tubig.
dyan?
Tubig ang washing machine.
Mamahalang lalo.
Nangyari dyan. Parang umakyat pa.
Yung asphalt, pinagano, wala na.
Parang umakyat sa asfalto.
Sama ng ano.
Hindi nila masyadong pinatag. Narito ako. May sira yung washing machine, may tapon ng basura.
Joe is getting cold.
Ang hirap yan.
Getting cold, baby? You're cold?
No, no.
No, it's off naman.
One ko lang to, balik ko. One day na pa.
Ano masasabi ni Chad sa washing machine?
Okay. Nakakatawa rin dalawa, ginatukan pa ni Mimi.
Walang holds, no holds barred.
Kala mo chinchin lang. Dami palang bala.
Okay ba? Bakit ka pumapalit ng tubig na dami sa kanan? Yung washing machine kasi dapat kinakausap niya yan. May pakausap niyo kay Gerald. Habang nilalagyan niya ng tubig, kailangan pinapakalma niya ang washing machine. Ngayon kasi mami. Habang nilalagyan ng tubig mo? Oo. Kausapin mo ang washing machine. Kasi pamana sa'yo yan ng lola mo. Mahal na mahal mo yan. Dapat iniingatan mo. Iharap mo sa'yo ang washing machine. Ako lang, diba? Kausapin mo ang washing machine. Gerald, magpilit ka sa kanya, dapat di siya puputok. Kapag ang puputok ka, sa pugot ka washing machine.
Natawa na si si Rupa.
Dapat di, out na siya.
Siya yung makakuha ng red. Natawa na si Rupa eh. Yumukutos sa tawa. nakita ko. Sabi, hindi daw eh.
Sino natawa? Ay, sino na?
Nakita ko yung mukha niya, tapos ngumiti eh.
Lang ata hindi.
Hindi rin pwedeng ngiti eh.
Yeah, imagine, bro. That's the other thing. My daddy's over there. Look. That's daddy's grave. Over there. That's daddy's grave. Don't know.
Gerard, go, 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 Gerard!
It's performance time again!
And the best comedy actress goes to
Ah, ang galing.
Hey!
Rufami. Congratulations.
Hey, ayong kaya. 13!
Paano mo malalaman galing sa malayo kung babae o lalaki yung kalabaw? Paano? Lapitan mo!
Paano?
I think we're coming, bro.
Lapitan mo.
It's raining. It's raining tankers. We're almost here. Raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos. Don't need to ask why. Cover your mouth and close your eyes.
49.20.
It's raining tacos. Yum, 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 and yum. It's like a dream. Yum, 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 and yum. And there's sour cream. My classmates know that. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's raining tacos. We're almost here. That means we're gonna meet my cousin.
Yes. Alright.
This is a lot.
We'll have a breathing exercise. Okay, a breathing exercise to have an insane body, you know, a beautiful mind and a beautiful body. Alright, let's do it.
Gerald.
You're so typical.
Sit or something. Like that. Anyway, sit everybody. Let's go. So I want you to feel the energy. Yoga. Close your eyes. Straight body. Look straight, face straight, and feel the energy.
Almost there.
Exhale.
When is it big for our trip?
Inhale deep.
Look at that sauce.
Exhale. Okay. Now I will measure how deep is your breath. Alright? Just keep on inhaling and exhaling as I command. Alright? Inhale. Exhale. Okay. Hold my hand. Hold my feet. Okay. Okay. Now open your eyes, everybody. Open your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Deep breath. Deep breath. Parang nagsisigaw na nakalabas.
There's Yakult here.
Okay. Hold.
Yakult?
I
You thought it was Yakult? Yeah, it's Yakult. It's Yakult. It's Yakult.
1, 2, 3. Inhale. Open your eyes. Exhale. Open your eyes. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Stop. Nice one. Okay, continue. Inhale. Relate ko siya kasi yung sa yung 80s. Hero Rick.
Yo! I saw something. Wait a
Kasi minsan parang nakatawa ko. Tapos naalala ko, ay, bawal mga hindi pala rin pwede. Very hot in here.
Yo, why am I shaking? There's my cousins. Yo, but imagine going there and someone just crashed your car.
Exhale, open your eyes. Inhale.
Yo, what's up? Look at W said. W.
Feel sa akin.
That W is so big. It's like that.
Inhale.
Like that.
Alright, very good, very good. Let's go.
See?
I will measure.
4927 Main Street.
Inhale deep. Oh my God, it's too strong.
Thank you, sir.
It's too strong. Exhale.
Okay, we're going in.
Kagigising ng umaga.
I'm so excited.
6 hours later, may payag na sa
Imagine going to your cousin and someone just stop you and someone just arrest you.
Inhale strong. Another one. Inhale.
Main Street.
Oh my God, it's so
Main Street. I don't know, but to see you at cousin house. Oh, bro, you
breath. Alright. Okay.
like that.
Inhale.
I thought we're almost there.
Inhale. Exhale. Oh,
Okay, this there.
wow. Inhale.
What?
Exhale.
This was my feelings. Yo, we're inside of my cousin. Not inside the body, bro.
Very good, very good. I think
Pedro,
close everyone. Talagang ganito pala sila. Tapos
This is a disaster.
Iikot lang tayo.
true to form yung ano ni Gerald.
Kala ko dito.
This is really a disaster.
Alam niya ma-exit.
Yo,
Hindi na ako iikot sa dito. No?
this is the really disaster, bro.
Hindi na ako gagawin. Oh, yan o.
Look at that song.
Yan nakaparado si Deb. Oh.
Yeah, that's in real, bro.
Hindi na nila pinaparking sa loob.
We're almost. That's my cousin's house.
Tinambakan ng gamit.
Look, we're inside the house.
Aga mo basa't pumasok na kami ah. Oo.
This is a disaster. Blank 50 lot 24. Take out this I'm blank 4 lot 21. Wait. Yo, that's a lot of man. I thought that was a weapon. Can I join?
What?
To my cousin to the families?
Hindi, pwede naman kung hindi umuulan.
Ulan ba? Hindi ano?
Hindi. Ano mo muna, huwag ka munang bababa.
Oh, sige, okay na. Tama ka na.
There we are. I'm in cousin's house. No. Look at that. Oh, that's cousin's house. Cousin's house. Feel what the building behind this.
Bunak eh. Meron. Gusto kong punta?
Yeah.
Kasama ka na. Go.
Okay. Wow!
Dahan-dahan, huwag ka maingay. Baka mag-ano yung aso.
Okay, it's windy. Yo! I'm here. Okay, we're inside cousin's house.
Oh, we're inside
Right
that-
now, guys.
Right now, guys, we're inside that cousin house.
Magulo
It's a vegetable store.
Oh wait, where's my cousin?
Where's my cousin?
Yo! Okay. Hey! Hey, say to my vlog! Hi! Guys! Hi! You're my big cousin! 6. This is
I was
yo
11 years old.
yo. You're now happy birthday. This is okay, guys. I'm here right now.
I'm sorry.
Okay, I'm here right now to Colin's room. So today, it's a disaster. Wow, who is that, bro?
Not me. Not my.
Yeah, yo. Okay, this is not.
What?
No, look, roomy there. Not roomy. Yo. it's-
Guys, I got us someone fishing.
Okay. Okay, guys, this is all. I got 52 subscribers.
I got 30 subscribers.
Okay. Oh, my subscribers bigger than you. Okay, guys.
Guys, look.
Yo, bro.
I look
Okay.
like Agnar Shark.
Yeah. I already forgot my cousin's face. I thought my cousin's face is just like a Vietnamese.
No, don't call me ma.
Oh, what happened, bro? Oh no, my phone is on battery. Okay,
no,
guys,
what
goodbye.
Oh no, what happened?
Goodbye. I cannot. Okay.